Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a glimpse of how we prepare dinner at home. On a typical night it's just Angie and myself eating, but for tonight we have Angie's brother Bailey joining us. So we're going to make 3 dishes total. The first dish is going to be a stir fry, the second dish is going to be marinated short ribs, and the third dish is going to be our vegetables, which is snow pea shoots or dalmio. So let's get started. So starting with the meat, this is flank steak meat that I cut and marinated. I used some soy sauce, some Shaoxing rice wine, some cornstarch, sesame oil, and some pepper. Here I have ginger, garlic, onions, red pepper, mushrooms, and some green onions that I chopped. To assemble the sauce, I'm using homemade chicken stock, and then I'm going to add to that oyster sauce, soy sauce, some sugar, white pepper, and some black pepper. Then we also need to make our cornstarch slurry, which is going to be cornstarch, and I'm going to add water to it. Okay, we're ready to cook. For the short ribs, I marinated the night before and I used some soy sauce, water, rice wine, green onions, garlic, and some kiwi. Here I have some onions that I'll be adding to my short ribs, and this is some reduced sauce from the marinade that I had. I strained it afterwards and this is what's left. For the snow pea shoots, I'll be using, of course, snow pea shoots or dalmio, some garlic that's been smashed and roughly chopped. This is another sauce that I made using half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, some oyster sauce, and some more chicken stock. And lastly, I have here again the cornstarch mixture that we will use to thicken up the sauce. sure added some fish sauce. So there you have it. That's how we make dinner at home. Also, Angie's there with glaucoma now. I plan to make more stir-fry videos in the future and more recipes using the wok. I like making stir-fries because it's quick, it's fast, and it's easy. It also imparts a certain flavor that you can't really get with other pans because of the wok hay that's using the carbon steel. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Also consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.